guys, welcome back to my channel, or thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to tell you about how you can get free preferred seats for Mickey and the Magician and sometimes other seasonal shows in Disneyland Paris, and you can get them for free. So let's go to Disney. We are in at Studios Park of Disneyland Paris because with our Mastercard you can make a reservation for some reserved seating in the show. And we're now going to see Mickey and the Magician, and apparently we're going to have good seats. So that went a bit quickly. I have a flyer here about the Mastercard privileges that you can get at Disneyland Paris. It's exclusive for Mastercard holders, so if you have a credit card that has this emblem on it, then you're up for a treat, because you can go to either City Hall in Disneyland Paris or I think they call it Studio Services at Disneyland Studios Park, and you can get preferred seating tickets which are free, and you have to use them on the same day for one of the shows in Disneyland Paris. And preferred seating means that you get really good seats. So you still have to wait in line. It's not that you have reserved seats. So you have to be on time. I think about 10 minutes before the show started, the seats will be available for other people as well. So you have to be on time with your ticket and you get really good seats. We did this for Mickey and the Magician in the Studios Park. I love that show. I'm going to show you parts of the show as well. And I'm also going to show you the seats. We went to see the show twice, so there's two different camera angles there. The ones that are up close are the ones from the preferred seats. And it's easy, it's free, and well, that's a nice privilege that you get. You can also get a discount, I believe, on the guided tour. On the 5-hour VIP tour, you can get 1 extra hour for free. And you have to book that at City Hall or Studio Services as well. So you also can check that one out. We actually used our extra magic time to get the preferred seating. Because at that period only the guests from the hotels or the resorts, Disney resorts, are in the park. And there was nobody at City Hall. So it was really quick and easy to get our tickets for that day. Let's get back to Disney. Okay, we are now in the theater and our preferred seating is on the 5th row from the front, right in the middle.
Wow! Cendrillon! Have faith in your dreams and someday you're right.
Our guest, put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, shabby, and provide the rest.
different movies in there. It's really good. You should definitely go see Mickey and the Magician. We're also at the end of the video now. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you're having a terrific day, and I wish you a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye guys!